Welcome to the deep dive. So today our mission is to really cut through the noise-facing fiber optic engineering firms. We're looking at a platform built for them, Zonedge. I mean, if you're in this space, you know the struggle. It's not the fiber itself, it's the data. You're trying to connect designs from AutoCAD with parts lists from Excel, and then field work from some, generic GIS tool.
Right, and that patchwork approach, it just doesn't scale.
Yeah.
It's not sustainable. You get these information silos, everything slows down, and honestly, your project's profitability is always at risk. So we're looking at Zonedge not as just another tool, but as a strategic shift. It's what turns all that complexity into a real competitive advantage.
Okay, so let's dive into that transition. The sources we looked at suggest that the biggest drain on margins is just wasted time. Time spent trying to sync static plans and fighting with different versions of a spreadsheet.
Exactly. You're spending more time managing your tools than you are managing the network. And this is where Zonedge brings this native intelligence that, well, generic tools just can't touch. Think about AutoCAD. That plan is frozen the second it leaves the printer.
It's a snapshot.
It's a snapshot. Zonedge replaces that with a living, dynamic network inventory. It's a multi-user environment where every single fiber, every splice, it's all connected and trackable.
And the generic GIS problem, that seems huge. Most platforms can, draw a line on a map for a cable route, but they don't understand the logic inside the cable.
They have no idea. You need deep, expensive customization just to get basic fiber logic working. Zonedge has that specialized functionality right out of the box. We're talking about really critical stuff like visualizing the exact fiber path, managing merge points, and precise OTDR anomaly localization.
Meaning if there's a break.
If there's a break, you get exact coordinates tied directly to your network data. That cuts your fault resolution time way, way down.
So the single source of truth isn't just a marketing term here. It's actually a technical reality. You're moving away from that Excel nightmare.
Completely. You're in a centralized, secure database that everyone is accessing. And that centralization is really the foundation for the whole thing. The real differentiator is the flow of information from the office to the field.
Okay, this is where the ecosystem idea comes in. It's built on three pieces that are designed to work together to break down those silos. First is Zonedge GIS. That's the command post for the engineers, right?
Into the command post. All the advanced design, all the real-time connectivity management happens there.
Then you've got Zonedge WB. What does that do?
Well, that extends access securely to managers, to partners, other stakeholders. They don't need CAD software. They can manage things like permits or just track project progress in real time. Everyone's looking at the same dashboard.
And the crucial fieldwork link is Zonedge Terrain. So what makes this stand out? Is it more than just offline maps and geotagged photos?
Oh, much more. Terrain is where you guarantee data integrity at the source. It has field validation checks built in. So, for example, it can verify splice counts or equipment IDs before that data ever gets back to the central database.
So it stops bad data from getting in the first place.
Exactly. Your final as-built record is precise from the get-go. No more costly cleanup later.
So this whole integration, it seems to deliver some really tangible results. We're talking about a dramatic increase in efficiency, truly seamless collaboration, and of course, data integrity you can actually trust.
Yeah, and when you look at the total cost of owning a bunch of disconnected generic tools versus a purpose-built platform, it's not even a contest. Zonedge isn't just optimizing a workflow. It's really about delivering the quality and precision that your customers are demanding.
The bottom line here is that Zonedge is the platform for firms that are ready to take control of their most important infrastructure. So the real question you have to ask is, what's the cost of letting your competitors build networks faster and with higher integrity than you can?
This is how you turn that operational friction into a real long-term strategic asset.
Start designing, operating, and innovating your fiber optic network today.